Hey, Be Your Own Boss channel. We are back with another video telling you how to make your own money on your own time and make your own dime. Today we're going to cover micro workers. It is a server site. Yes, a survey site with my country accent. Survey sites where you can earn doing little jobs. Of course, surveys or extract information from certain websites like phone numbers, email addresses, update website with the current information, video quality, make sure video quality is good. So it's a lot of range of different tasks you can do on this site called the Micro Workers. I'm gonna leave a link for this website down in the description. But it's a great way to earn money on your own time, doing little simple jobs. One user told me they made up to about $15 an hour actually doing these things. Not sure if they ran out or how frequent these jobs replenish, but it is a certain way of income, certain source of income if you are stuck in the house or you have internet access and some free time. Go ahead and check this out. Micro Workers, work and earn or offer a micro job. So if you want something done, you want like a website of yours review, you can check this out as well if you need something looked at. So a real quick, simple, quick and easy way to earn some money. Check this out, guys. Later.